If your Kia Soul is showing a black screen when you plug in your iPhone, don't worry, it's usually a software glitch. Most CarPlay failures are caused by minor handshake errors between your phone and the Kia head unit. Let's walk through the troubleshooting playbook to find the culprit behind that dark display. The reset button is the fastest fix, but updating your software and checking your cable are essential next steps. 9 times out of 10, a black screen is caused by a cable that can charge but cannot transmit data. Ensure your iPhone settings aren't blocking the connection, especially the Siri and USB restriction toggles. If you still have audio but no picture, it's software. If the screen is totally dead, check your fuses. A DIY reset costs nothing, while a full head unit replacement at the dealership can be very expensive. If the pinhole reset fails, a full power cycle of the vehicle can often clear the unit's cache. You don't need heavy tools for this, just a paper clip and a reliable cable will solve most issues. Cleaning out pocket lint from your iPhone's port is the most overlooked fix in the automotive world. If these steps helped you get back on the road, hit the like button and subscribe for more Kia guides.